Well, we finally got what we wanted. We all wanted the head on a stick of the pilot who was flying the drone that ran into the Super Scooper fighter fighting plane near the Palisades Fire in California on January 9th, 2025, and we wanted the full extent of the law thrown at him. Well, we didn't get that. But he is not getting off scot-free. That's a good thing. So, Peter Aikman is the guy's name, and he is reportedly in the reports taking a plea deal, and I'll tell you what that is in a second, but according to the reports, what he did was he drove up to the top of a parking structure in Santa Monica, launched his Mini 3 Pro, and basically went out as far as he could. It ended up being close to a mile. It was 2,500 meters is what they said. Clearly, you cannot see a mini drone from 2,500 meters away, almost a mile, especially in the conditions that it was, with an active wildfire going on. So they ended up finding it crashed into the plane. The plane had to land. It wasn't an emergency landing, but they had to land. Then the plane was out of commission for almost a week, I believe. So that could have gone towards helping people maybe not lose their homes, maybe loss of life. So what he's looking at as far as punishment is he could do a year in prison, but he is now pleading guilty to avoid that, and instead they are sentencing him to, well, the sentence isn't final, but what they're trying to agree to is $65,000 in damages, because that's what it cost to repair the plane, plus 150 hours of community service. Now, it is possible that the court could reject this and give him a higher penalty, but probably not. Who knows if this is his first infraction. He does have a little bit of notoriety, not as a drone pilot, but as a tech guy. I guess he was a higher up in a gaming kind of company. I don't know about all that. I'm not much of a gamer. But in any event, I don't know of any prior problems with drones or run-ins with the FAA. So they're probably going to accept it and let this be a lesson to everybody else. Obviously, we were all hoping for a little bit worse, because if he is that much of a higher up, he can probably afford the 65 grand and 150 hours of community service. It doesn't seem like that much. So I was kind of hoping for it, but all in all, it's a good thing because they caught him. He's getting punished. It's a lesson to everybody else. Don't do this, especially near an emergency situation. Don't fly. Even if you don't know if there's a TFR, if there's an emergency situation going on, just don't fly your drone, period. However, I'm going to cut my losses and say, okay, they got him. He's punished. Good. That's what we all wanted from the beginning. So let this be a lesson to everybody. Do not fly your drones beyond visual line of sight. Keep an eye on it where it is. Don't fly it near dangerous situations. Don't fly it where it could endanger other people. And no, the pilots of the plane were never in danger, because it's not going to take down the plane. But it did down the plane, and then it couldn't do its job of saving people and people's property. So, yes, you did endanger people by doing that. That was dumb. That was really, really dumb. But anyways, thankfully, they caught him. Thankfully, he's being punished. He is trying to do this defense that, like, the DJI geofencing didn't, like, stop him from doing it. But obviously, if he wouldn't have uploaded the local current TFRs, the DJI Fly app is not going to be that up to date to know that. That's not their problem. That's your problem, bucko. Anyways, comment down below what you think they should have done to him, and comment if you think it was too strict of a shift. I know I'm kind of like the drone police. I think that they should be hit with heavy fines, possibly jail time, definitely losing your drones. And a lot of people don't agree with that. They think, like, whatever, I do whatever I want with my drone. Don't tell me where I can't fly. But that's your opinion. If you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That's all I've got for you today. I love you guys. Bye.